open it. Open it. Rip it open.
Punch it.
I can't.
Go help her, Aunt Christy.
Yeah.
You just gotta rip the paper. There, Stetson's gonna show you.
Now just rip it. Rip it open. Rip it open and see what's
Just
inside.
grab it and rip it.
Grab it. Rip it.
Come on, don't you know how to open a
You're
present?
allowed to. It's presents. You're allowed to rip open presents.
Rip it.
Where?
Right here. Right there. Right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Oh, what is that? Yeah, there you go. Rip it.
Scout.
Oh, there you go. What is that?
A green puppy.
A green puppy. You want me to help you take him out of the box?
No.
No? You don't want to take him out of the box? You want to leave him in the box?
It's one more to go.
What's on those books?
Need help?
Read with
I
Scout.
got it.
You got it now?
Gonna take him out of the box.
You want to take him out of the box?
Not yet.
Not yet? There you go. Keep on ripping. Rip it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Rip it. Good job.
These are the scouts. I want to put them.
Read with me, Scout.
Rip it open. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's not off now. Let me help you get them out?
No.
You sure?
Which
I
one's
got
those
They're good.
things
I
that you
think
have?
I need your help.
Oh, you need my help?
Okay.
Come here. Let me see. Over here. Let's see about getting Scout out of that box.
Start opening another present.
Go ahead, open that one and I'll get him out of the box, okay? You want to see what you got in that one?
Open it.
Open it.
All for you, Leanna. You're a big girl now.
Here.
Okay, thank you.
Rip it. Make a mess. Uncle Daryl said rip it. Tear it. Rip it up. Just put the trash on the ground. Yeah. Just put it on the ground. Quit aiming it there, Christy. Just throw it on the ground. Throw it on the ground. Throw it. Throw it down. Okay. You just throw it on the ground.
Keep on going. Open that one over there and I'll get Puppy out.
Make a mess.
Well, what's that name of that dog on TV? Oh, you don't watch cartoons. Hey, it's like that guy anyways.
I'm getting him out. Get that one open.
What's the stick? Because it's just gonna help, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what she gets to learn. The piano.
That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Then once you get them damn toys out anymore.
That's the book that goes with it, Chrissy?
Over there. No, this one's the.
Because there's battery in that. Is there a battery in that?
Maybe time.
We'll use that at night.
No, you play out on the piano.
Hold on, Chris, we can see him.
On the black and white.
Wow, you're good already.
Can we get it out of the box for you, Nana?
Leanna. Leanna.
This one?
Rip it open. Go crazy.
That one you're gonna need the scissors to get that stuff out of that box too.
Keep on. Let's see what you got in that one.
Who said
Wrap
that?
it.
Right here. Put this one over here for now. Here, let's rip this one. Look, Lana.
She's the piano.
Lana, right here.
It's shut off, huh?
Yeah, I turned it off.
We turned it off so you open your other one. You're just like, I'm turning it back on.
Lana, this one.
All right, Leanna, say goodbye so I can get turns off.
Goodbye.
Say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Say thank you, Grandma Mary.
Thank you, Grandma Mary.
Say I love you.
I love you.